2024 Hannover Messe is the world's leading industrial trade fair. CSK Motion Technology, founded in 2010, has its own brand. CSK, derived from Taiwan Technology LT, is a company specializing in the production of precision linear transmission products. The exhibition held from April the 22nd to 26th, 2024 in Germany. Our booth number is AE27 Hall 7. We exhibited a series of products, such as roller linear guide, self-lubricating linear guide, metal end cover linear guide, anti-corrosion linear guide, LMN and LMNW linear guide,